Hi, and welcome to Tunkhannock Auto Mart. I'd like to take you on a brief tour of this 2008 Dodge Caliber RT all-wheel drive. As you can see in the front here, it does have fog lights. Fog lights are terrific for nighttime visibility in all types of weather. Has a really nice looking headlamp to it. That's your halogen headlight. As you come around the vehicle, you're going to see that it has real nice hubcaps, that is aluminum wheels on it. It does have solar control glass, power mirrors, keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, and a rear spoiler. And while we're out the back here, I'd just like to take a moment, show you inside, but let me point out, you know, it's really nice to have these to be such a large size, these back headlamps, and then you have your light up here. That way, you know, you're out there, you're driving, you put your brakes on, it's really going to give notice to the guy behind you. And today, quite frankly, with the way we're on our cell phones, sometimes we need to be woke up. I want to point out the two articulating speakers we have back here. So, you know, if you're out there tailgating at the football game or taking the kids to the park, you can enjoy some great music. It does have the Boston Acoustic Audio sound system in there. It has a CD player and Sirius satellite radio. Want to point out, you have a tonneau cover, which is nice. You know, you put some valuable stuff back there. You pull this out to keep it from those prying eyes. Another really neat feature with the vehicle is this flashlight up here. It's rechargeable, so you could just pop it out. I don't know if you could tell, but the lights are on right now. So, you know, you're out there camping and you need another flashlight, or, you know, something to read a book with. It's just nice to have, or the kids drop something in the back of the car. But anyway, it's nice to have. It's just a little neat feature I thought I would show you today. I'd also like to point out that these seats in front of me do fold flat. And the seat, I don't know why I'm fussing with that. It's not that hard to put in. These seats do fold down, and the passenger seat folds down. So you have plenty of room. You know, you head out to the hardware store. You need to put some stuff in, some flowers, some lumber. You have room, or the bicycle and a lot of golf clubs, huh? So as we take a walk around the car, you'll notice that it is a stunning stone white. It's really pretty. I hope you can tell, you know, with what you're seeing today from our video, that it is that the white just really shines. And again, it's an all-wheel drive vehicle. So that is great when, you know, that other time of year starts, which we don't want to think about right now with spring. We're going to step inside, check out the interior of the vehicle. It does have stain-resistant seating. And the front seats are heated, although we're past that for now, but come December you'll be appreciating it. I do want to take a moment to show you inside the glove box. It has what is known as the chill zone. So you can put your important papers. You have room up there. Down here you have room for your soft drinks. Also, I do want to show you, here is your manual, your driver's manual. It has a really nice looking dash to it, the nice bezel, the silver looks really stunning, very pretty. Again, it is Carfax certified. What that means, Carfax has gone out there to a couple of, oh, sorry, I was being attacked by a bee. Carfax has gone out there to over 1,000 data sources. And there's your mileage right there if you want to zoom in on that, 16,304. And then here, you have your cup holders in here. They actually do a muted blue light, so that's a nice feature. And in here, you put your cell phone. The back seat, you're going to see, is also in very nice condition. You have a lot of room. And I like the way that it's like you have this color-keyed fabric, you know, with these two different colors. It really adds a pretty look to the vehicle. And there's some more cup holders there. Again, a great sound system going on. And now what we'll do, we'll take a little walk and I'll show you under the trunk, under the hood. And you're going to see it's a 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter. Just let me sit this down. We'll pop this open and we'll take a look under there. And there we go. So it is fuel efficient. Everything looks real good. You have easy access to check all your fluids. So it's a really nice looking vehicle. It is one owner. It is Carfax certified. And again, what that means is Carfax has gone out there and checked thousands of data sources on this Caliber, on this 2008 Dodge Caliber, and they found nothing. They found no title discrepancies, no mileage discrepancies, no fire, flood, no damage. She's got a clean bill of health. Plus, our own service technicians do go over the cars from front to back. So please stop in and see us at Tunkhannock Auto Mart. We would love to have you, and have a great day.